Hello friends, today we will start with chapter 2, working with Windows. You have learnt that an operating system, OS, is the lifeline of a computer. It is the most important program that runs on a computer. OS acts as an interface between the computer and the user. It is responsible for the management and coordination of activities and sharing of resources of the computer. Let us learn more about it. An operating system provides a platform through which a user can interact with the hardware using software. When the user gives an instruction through software, it is passed on to the operating system. It then uses these instructions and determines how the hardware and software of a computer should be utilized in the best possible way. Some popular operating systems are DOS, Windows 7, Unix, Linux, and Mac OS. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. Operating systems are categorized into two types: Graphical User Interface (GUI) and Character User Interface (CUI). Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface (GUI) based operating system. GUI operating system creates a user-friendly environment which allows the user to interact with the computer using graphical symbols such as icons, menus, and so on. Windows is one of the most widely used GUI operating systems. Character User Interface (CUI) based operating system lets you interact with the computer by typing commands. MS-DOS is one of the best examples of CUI. Friends, to learn about all these topics, subscribe the channel to get notification of other videos. Thank you.